Hey, so I got a pretty old floor here, so I'm gonna lay down a laminate floor. So I picked up this laminate floor underlayment by Floor Lot. This is a 200 square foot roll. I love how this is a huge roll. That way it'll, one roll should cover most rooms. Just make sure it's under 200 square feet. This has a vapor barrier. There's nice instructions on what side that you want to put down towards the floor. I like that this comes with some adhesive. That way these will all stick together and they'll stay together when you're putting them on the floor. So we're gonna go ahead and lay this out. Like I said, I really like the adhesive. That way I can line this right against the wall and it's not gonna shift around. This is also very easy to cut. And then you got your plastic on your first piece. That's what your adhesive is going to glue to. Just make sure your seam is in good shape. All right, now we're to the wall. We gotta cut our excess off. This is also pretty easy to cut. All right, so that was really super easy. I love how it sticks together. Now, when we're laying the floor down, we'll work out the ridges and we'll probably have to trim a little bit more, but for the most part, this is ready to go, ready to lay down. I still have a good amount left over. This is also designed to reduce noise. So when you're walking around on your laminate floor, it's going to reduce the noise from the room below. That way they don't hear like the hollow wood sound when you're walking around.